What is up, you guys? It is your boy Jordan Tyler. You can call me JT. Miata. Miata. Oh, the popo. Oh, popo. The popo. Anyways. It's supposed to rain today. Let's hope it don't. But if it does, I got my leathers on. We're gonna go this way because that one turned red. That car does not have a hood on it and it's all beat up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! He's chasing me! The choo-choo train! Yeah, buddy! Probably shouldn't go too fast on this road because this road's not very good. It's got so many bumps. Bike lane closed. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Ah, my foot! I touched the ground with my foot. That was scary. Wada! Wada! Up. I was down, but now I'm up. Look, bikers! The bikers are out too! I'm not the only biker, guys! Now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. It's a lake. That's a whole lake. Look at the bikers. You ain't got your helmet on, bro. Oh no, that's a no. If that other thing was a lake, this is a river going to an ocean. You see it? River, ocean. It connects the lake to the ocean. Ha! Isn't that funny? Now I'm up. I was on, but now I'm up. Or maybe an adventure bike. If you can get me on an adventure bike, then crazy, because they scare me. Adventure bikes do scare me. Oh, that TRD has an exhaust on it. Sound like a vacuum. But I don't think it's gonna change. I'm gonna run it. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna turn it green and then be magic. The cop pulled me over, be like, well, it's set through it like 3 times. And you're gonna pull my bluff and be like, no, that's not how the light works. Come on, light. Come on. Man! I'm waiting on you. Maybe if I rock back and forth. I'm about to run over there. I'm running this. I sat there for too long. Oh, look at how beautiful those wheels are, bro. I like that color more than the other one. It's like a black and gray one or something like that. That one's way better looking. We're in the MT-09, and then I'll be riding the 675 next go around. I like the MT-09. I mean, I'm more of a sport bike guy, so, but it's a fun bike still. I'm worried he's gonna drop that bike. I'm worried about that 675. Get my visor down. This mirror is messed up. It's gonna bother me. There's that lake. That doesn't bother me. That friggin' mirror! Boop. 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 I can't wait to ride that 675. I'm glad I'm behind it so I can see it in motion. No clutch! I just love clutchless shifting. Clutchless shifting is so awesome, dude. But this mirror, woo! Is there a way to tighten it? I don't think so. Dude, I'm in 4th gear and this thing just kicks out. Here's the water. We're going swimming. I'm thinking about turning traction control off on that thing. As I go through water. I can't ride naked bikes, they're not very comfortable. I mean, they're comfortable, but come on, get on that thing, bro. Look at this, watch. Think quick. Oh, for sale! I'm gonna buy that whole area. We'll buy that whole area. And then there's a, what, a buffalo? I want the buffalo. Look how big that house is. How many cars they have. What? The buffalo, and they got a B on their gate, which means buffalo. Ooh, that's a pretty house. And there's a tree down across the road. Come on, man, I need to clean up. Oh, you got a blinker on, broski. Come on, you gotta go quicker than that. I'm not sure how to, I'm not sure how to use the blinkers on this. There was like a town, I've never been out this way. There's like a cabbage, bunch of cabbage over there. Oh no, the choo-choo train track. The choo-choo train track. The choo-choo train track. I know where we're at now. Ready to go. kinda fast. If he stall, it give me time, it give me a cool like pull I could do to catch up with them. Can't see the people on the, there you go. See, this is broken. Meow. Why are we going so slow on this road? Like, can we not go faster? He don't like it, he said. Clutch is really soft. Oh, I wonder if it's the same as a, hey. I see you. I see you in my mirror. Hi, Granny. There's a bike at the Castrol shop. There's a bike at the Castrol shop. It's windy. Maybe because I'm on a naked, but it wasn't windy over there. But then I was under the tree, under the sea. Oh, they got f***ed up. Under the sea. Under the sea. I'm not supposed to test how quick these bikes are if they don't get on the highway. I'm gonna go to Honda, maybe. I don't know yet. The girl was waving at me, and she dreams about getting a motorcycle, but her mama said no. Leto, what'd you do? The big red truck. The big red truck. The big red truck. Hey, can you mow my grass next? Can you mow my grass next? Thanks. Red's lawn. Mow it for free though. Don't. And oh, there's glass clippings. Grass clippings everywhere. I'm gonna die. You're gonna kill me.